United Kingdom started the trials of coronavirus vaccine. Many research hospitals are claiming inventing vaccinations. They are spending $20 million and the trials will start next week. California is one of the most polluted states of the United States of America. And coronavirus is proving more deadlier for people already living with dirty air. According to San Francisco Chronicle, yesterday was the deadliest day in Delhi. Since 1 month is left for the assassination day of Congress President Rajiv Gandhi. That's why these places intentionally released the lockdown on 20th, so that when newspapers will post information on end of 21st, it will be written in history that 1 month is left for assassination day, and just because lockdown was initiated in India, that's why many people are being saved. Otherwise, you have witnessed a rise in the death toll. These kind of flashes are existing in this country. Even during extinction times, they are politicizing. In fact, it should not be named politicizing, because Mosque Demolition Group can't be regarded as a political party till extinction of Earth 1. Assalamu alaikum walaikum salam. More protest. California, stay at home, and Trump is also supporting the protest. Those places which are ruled by Democrats might have introduced lockdown 1 hour day prior or after to Republican. That's why Trump is also utilizing his authority to provoke people, and then they will definitely protest. A woman wearing Trump flag shouts during a protest on Monday. That is another opportunity for Trump to grab political attention of people, so that they will wear the Trump train jackets, Trump train caps, Trump trains flags. They will carry Trump flags to protest. The doctors of Oxford University, Matt Hancock. Hancock is the health minister of the United Kingdom, and he donated or provided them $20 million. But doctors told that it is not feasible to get immediate results because young people are required for volunteering, and then they will appoint other age groups like children, old age people, women who will volunteer. And sometimes patients are not available, and if patients are available for the trials, then also 1.5 years is required, or at least 6 months to get the results, even if they are treated. I am not sure how much time it will take for the trial. Even if the person get treated, he might get more dangerous diseases as a side effect of those vaccinations. That's why few people will be volunteered, and how much time they will wait for the release of the vaccination, it is unknown. By that time, millions of people will die across the world. Otherwise, also, if there was any chance of vaccine, it would have been released by now by China also. They are not fond of dying, and they are not leaking any vaccination. It means it is not practical. That is the only result which we should believe. Till we are following social distancing and good hygiene, we will keep ourselves alive, and the imagination power of human beings will take them to any consequence. Some people might have planned their future, and some people might have transformed their career also, taking the opportunity of others' unemployment. But it is really unfair to work on other people's dead bodies. How will you find yourself comfortable in any person's job if that person is working from home and internet is not available in his or her house? And if you are being provided any job in place, how will you find yourself comfortable? For a few days you can earn, but in your inner consciousness you will not allow yourself it. Just because of the internet speed, you are getting a job, and this talented person is living in any village about 100 kilometers from his workplace, and if you are getting job to work from home, and in few days that person die of starvation, how will you feel yourself comfortable? But there might be many people who are feeling comfortable, and there are thousands of examples. Even now there are thousands of examples in any particular city of any country. And when those villagers will protest and they will not provide you food, they will not sell any food product in the market, and when they will mutually become united, That's why World Health Organization has already warned that the children across the world will face hunger. And Oxfam has also released a report that the hunger across the world will become double because of various reasons. Over the last few days, there have been protests in San Diego also. San Andreas is a different place and San Diego is a different place. San Andreas is the name of video game also. Similar to Black Ops. When FBI informed me that in our beloved Orange country, 33 people died due to coronavirus and 1,676 people are suffering. And then I replied, what is the proof that the information is genuine? Since Orange country is not the only place in the world where people are suffering due to coronavirus. And Erin Brockovich was the first woman who replied that Delhi is not the only place in the world where decisions are influenced by bribe. In the end of the day, it is the blood money which wins. I was not planning suicide, even after torture. It's all right. But you were replying in the blog as if I was about to end my life. I had already lost all the courage. I haven't lost courage. I am right now. I am in complete intention and motive to take revenge against these flesh Indians. Even if Delhi is not the only place of the world or not, I don't bother at all. The main point is whether on the day of survey, that too requested by me, I had installed effluent treatment plant in my India's environment friendly bathroom critics manufacturing industry or not. That is the motive. Where the industry was present in Delhi or not. I was not expecting of that kind of reply, and I am not against your opinion, but you should have replied me through better words. That is a reply of an ordinary reply of an environment lawyer, the greatest environmental lawyer of United States. That is the reply of ordinary lame woman. An illiterate villager who don't even know the importance of pure drinking water. That is the difference. I am not against your opinion, but I can't appreciate those words also. That's why I told FBI, okay, how will you hurt when I will reply like these words? Will you get hurt or you not? Your own sisters and brothers died in Orange country. And if I will reply like Erin Brockovich, how will you feel? But that's the difference between you arrogant Americans and me. Even then, I don't disregard or criticize you. You are dying just because of your important president. That is so simple. But you can't help. You can't raise voice also. You are raising voice in favor of that person who is provoking you to protest, and you treat yourself as a developed country. You're just foolish people. I have talked with thousands of Americans. Most of them are such foolish, illiterate, dull, dumb, and hundreds of words similar to. But since name of your country is very significant, you have got ISD code +1. I don't know how did you manage to get ISD codes which are so much superior. Your opinion matters in United Nations. Even UNICEF has a constructed head office in United States. I am not able to understand the reason behind. There are tens and hundreds of countries across the world whose intelligence is much superior than Americans. But when people talk, okay, American was American told United Nations, Americans have disclosed there is an important information from USA. Americans are concerned about food only. They have nothing to do in their life. They are concerned about food, types of beverages, and different variety of dishes. And the women are concerned about dogs. They love dogs to such an extent they can kill their own husbands or take divorces. There are many women who keep on crying in live me also. Even if their dog suffers from 1 degree fever above the normal, they kept on crying for several days. But they will not feel distressed when own family member dies of any disease. But I will not name those women here. There are many women. A few months ago, thousands of girls from Belarus registered in Live Me as a continues manner. In about a week, I saw thousands of girls from Belarus. It might be the fact that they were providing suggestions when I had followed a few. That is also a probability. But you can't describe these women according to the geographical location. But most important habits can be explained. Overall, they are concerned of stars, points, and nothing more than that. But exceptions are also there. Some girls are concerned about education, and some are concerned about information sharing, and most of them want to, about 90% of them want to show the cleavages and earn money. And it can't be treated as a porn, but that is another form of porn. If they are indulged in porn, only 10% of the users will or men will feel tempted. But if they are indulged in these kind of midway cleavage showing, it means that sometimes they are about to show cleavages and sometimes they hide the cleavages and men feel more tempted. They think that if we will send more coins in about half an hour, half this woman will turn hostile and to all the men, and then they will talk privately, show better cleavages, and in the meantime they will send thousands of stars. In that way, men will stop. If you have senses of sequences and probability, if you have slight knowledge of sequences in mathematics, try to formulate. If men or unmarried boys will keep on sending stars or their blood money to those pretending midway of showing cleavages and innocence, means they will not show complete cleavages, but they are not hiding it also. How much months it will take for all the men across the world to starve? If that formula is utilized to calculate, it will not take more than 6 months. They are not friendly with you, they don't have any emotions with you. They are getting revenue in the form of points, diamonds. They are getting revenue just because they have narrow gap between both mammary glands. It means a thin pencil can fit tightly between those mammary glands. Just because of that fact, they are earning millions of dollars. And there are thousands of girls who have narrow gap between, who don't need any supports for the braziers also. And those women, if they are not educated, if they are not well spoken, even if they are not eligible for basic grammar, and they are getting immense revenue, and all of the men will definitely starve or become so much violent. Otherwise also, if dreaded diseases or contagions are not available. Otherwise also, according to normal sequences, if you will not add the weightage or points or any extra equation to that formula, even then it will not take more than 6 months for us to starve, for all the men across the world to starve. And they are very friendly with prostitute utilizers, and that is a fact. And the simple reason behind supporting prostitute utilizer, why are women supporting prostitute utilizers, boys and men? They want extramarital affairs, they want revenue in the form of in any form, directly or indirectly, hidden benefits also, money, assets also. And they don't want to be caught red-handed also. And if at any cost they are caught, or if in any probability they are caught, the simple reason behind their supporting prostitution is that they will prove their husbands that the boys who were indulged in interacting with her are able to acquire good quality prostitutes because they have enough money and they don't believe in interfering with others' married life. That's why they interact with these kind of boys and men. Even if they have HIV, they don't bother. Even if they are vulgar, they are criminals. In addition to prostitute utilizers, they don't bother because even if they are caught red-handed, they will prove their respective husbands that how can you accuse us of extramarital affairs with these boys and men? They used to get prostitutes in any form. I can prove you they are utilizing prostitutes, they are getting prostitutes. Why will he interfere with our family matter or our married life? And I am married woman. Why will he prefer me if he is able to acquire a virgin prostitutes? And the husband will say, okay, you are right. You might not have eloped with that man. You might not have extramarital affairs with that woman. I will let you go. It is just a office sharing job. It might be any brotherly relationship. Because they have right for sisters, they have right, they have acquired those rights in any form. And it is not in India, it is that phenomena is prevalent throughout the world. ले लेंगे भीम पे ले ले सेंड कर दे मैसेज मैं किसी को मना नहीं करता बीम पे लेने के लिए। तुझे कोई काम है तो बता। क्या समझा? मुंबई का डॉन वन, डॉन वन नहीं है डॉन टू। डॉन वन में शाहरुख खान था, नहीं डॉन वन में डैनी था, डैनी। डॉन टू में शाहरुख खान, डॉन थ्री पता नहीं किसकी है। Now that phenomena will, it is not practical that phenomena will continue to prevail. Why it is not possible? According to mathematics, it is not possible. Not according to godly power, not according to law or justice. According to mathematics also, it is not possible. And the women or girls, if you are listening, keep in mind, I am not warning you that God will punish you. I am not warning you that justice will treat you as criminal, but think about mathematics only. It is not possible. According to mathematics also, it is not possible that the phenomena or method which you are using will prevail forever. Not just earning through cleavages, but friendliness with prostitute utilizers and ignoring other pure men and boys. That phenomena can't prevail. What you will get in return? You are getting in return coronavirus, pollution, nuclear disasters, crime against women. These gifts you are getting. In all probable cause, each and every woman will find these problems in their families, in their relatives, neighbors, everywhere. And you are finding them also. I don't require any proofs. 90% of the world has been locked down. Only 10% if they are whether they are not available or it is not feasible or it is not required just because of the vast areas or lesser population density, or some of them are in ISS, some of them are homeless also. And you can't transform also. It is not practical. Even if you have intent, it is not possible to transform you because at the brink of extinction. Now you know that The world has reached towards the brink of extinction. It is not possible for you to transform in such a way. And I am not telling you to keep hope also. Because you deserved what you are getting. The cost of sanitizers and masks will kill you. Americans or any country people, not just Americans. And the hunger or starvation will double just because of the fact that girls and women of the whole world are supporting prostitute utilizers only. That is the only reason. That phenomena result in corruption, and corruption result in crop shortages, and shortage of green food result in wildlife consumption, endangered wildlife trafficking, which result in coronavirus, and coronavirus is resulting in mass extinction. So what is the prime reason? The prime reason is girls are supporting prostitute utilizers only. Since girls are supporting prostitute utilizers only, those pure boys or men who used to or who have got job upon immense efforts or education, hard work, come before those who are demanding bribe or sharing prostitutes, and they collect a bribe, due to which economy or industries are getting shut down, resulting in sharing wealth with farmers, resulting in shortage of green food, resulting in wildlife trafficking, resulting in viruses. So those women who are supporting prostitution should have been killed by now, but now it is not practical for God also. It is not practical to save this earth from mass extinction, because even God can't reverse the clock. Now the time has elapsed. It is not practical to save this earth. It is not possible also. A new site has been developed like worldometers.com so that coronavirus spread can be explained graphically. John Hopkins University also keep on spending immense money in understanding the statistics fully. Everyone is trying to formulate different graphical interpretation. Then only they will get views and hits, and Google will also send them immense wealth. They are not bothered about common people. They are bothered about Google Analytics. And it is automatic. Even if the companies are not paying them, they have already scheduled advertisements and spent already deposited millions of dollars to Google. And it is a matter to collect those money in any form. That's why they are indulged in advertisement only. If any company, because Google employees are not visiting offices, they can't tell you how much money is spending of any company, but these people know which keywords should be utilized to promote the graphical interpretation of your text. If your city people are dying, they are designing websites and promoting those websites in such a way that you are dying, and those keywords should reflect advertisements in topmost results so that any banner ads or video ads or colony ads should be highlighted on their search partners also, and they are already aware which search partners are getting hits and which Google terms are being utilized. Even if people are searching, even if they are watching those ads or not, it doesn't matter for them. Those universities or web designers are getting money, and they will add a small banner. Okay, COVID-19, take care, stay at home, use sanitizers. And they have to hire few graphical designers only, which are also available very cheaply. And they will continue to earn immense wealth. For example, the co-founders of Instagram also, the number of cases and deaths are the metric for them. Like you must have seen 2000 movie. Or Titanic movie also, where upper deck people were preferred and they will get ships and life boats or jackets, and the upper class people were preferred similarly during coronavirus pandemic also. They are advising rich people to stay inside and poor people should protest outside. And Trump has also openly challenged so that all poor people should come out and the rich people should stay inside the houses. One of the person was arrested, but you can't arrest Trump for the same crime. One of the person was arrested in Mumbai for calling poor people at railway station. But Trump is performing the same crime. You can't arrest Trump. He is openly supporting all those cities governed by Democratic governors. That you should come out and protest wearing Trump caps and carrying Trump flags. As soon as he tweeted, thousands of people came out. And they will definitely suffer of coronavirus. But who will arrest Trump? Russia can arrest Trump, China can arrest Trump. India can't arrest Trump. India don't have that much potential. Russia has that much potential to arrest Trump also. And Putin has sent an aircraft also to warn Trump about 2 days ago. And the aircraft reached 24 meters near US Navy spy aircraft in the international space. Similarly, but even if you will arrest Trump, he will get some political benefit. Like Nawaz Sharif, who intentionally visited Pakistan from England just for the arrest because he know that he will get political benefit. And now his supporters are increasing day by day. And they will not support Tiger Force. Pakistan is thinking that each and every person are tech savvy and they will definitely approach Imran Khan. Because they have potential to hide the number of deaths. They will not tell anyone, even if thousands and millions of people dying in Pakistan. They will not expose because their journalists are very patriotic. And their journalists used to wear ethical or cultural dresses. They don't show cleavage also. And their news channel don't appoint impure girls also. but it will not make any difference because millions of people will die. It will not make any difference. According to the statistics, it will not make any difference. Monaco is the world's densest country. Among 256, it stands the last according to the population density. It stops next to and according to the area he sees is the smallest country of the world. Monaco is about 9th or 10th, but the population density of Monaco is 26,700 per square kilometer, and 3 people have died in Monaco. 80 people suffered of coronavirus. Only 3 people died in Monaco. 26,700 people are living in 1 kilometer area. Because islands can be protected, it is possible to protect islands, but they will face more troubles. They will face starvation, hunger, because no country will support them. Right now they are very arrogant that only 3 people have died among the 26,700 and 40,000 people died in America with 430 or 80 per square kilometer. In America, the population density is 80 per square kilometer. In Monaco, it is 26,700. Nowadays, they are feeling very arrogant, but in few weeks, they will starve to death. Because no country will supply food products to them. And they will start growing food on the rooftops because they don't have any space. And they will destroy the buildings for agriculture land and start living under the sea or on the ships or boats, similar to all the islands. They will start living on ships and boats and start destroying. Even I will destroy this building and prepare a small farm. Like all of the city people, everyone will destroy own houses. They will use hammers and small machines to destroy houses. And they will destroy houses by their own only. Because no worker will visit, no one will visit hotspot. They will prefer to live in villages with own family members and start farming. They will not visit here. No, I heard Mm. Now this week is very crucial for India also. It will decide how much months you will survive. That is another issue that the world is going to become extinct. That is another issue. It will take about 1 year for the world to become extinct due to climate change, nuclear disasters, and other natural calamities, including virus. But how much time we will survive, and how much time it will take to kill 139 crore flesh Indians belonging to Moscow demolition group who have nothing else to do just to chant name of the fake Shiva dog. No one is available head to head. I don't have time to post this video on YouTube also. I don't feel that this video is up to an international market.